If you'd like to see how I created this DIY abstract canvas painting, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So these are the colors I'm going to be adding to this canvas. I have some black, I have tan, pink, and I also have some purple glitter and black glitter. I'm going to be using this sponge brush to go ahead and get started, and also have this paintbrush as well. And I'm going to start off by just squirting on some pink paint, then I'll add the purple, and then I'll add the other colors on as well. Now this is going to be very abstract. I didn't exactly know what type of idea I had in mind. I just know I wanted to use these colors, and I had like a really abstract shower curtain, and I was trying to kind of match it up with that a little bit. So I just want to try something different. The rugs that I have in my bathroom are purple. Previously my bathroom was gold. No, it was yellow and gray. And I just wanted to switch it up because it was like that for a while. So I'm just kind of gonna brush the paint on, add more colors, and we'll just see. But you know, just make sure that you add the paint on nice and evenly as you'd like to. But go ahead along the sides of the canvas so that it's not just white on the sides. So don't forget to just spread the paint along the sides. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and start working in this pink paint, and I'm just gonna go in just any old direction. I didn't want this to be very formal. I'm gonna kind of go and overlap some of this pink on top of this purple, and it's gonna kind of be all over the place, but it'll kind of come together and it won't be so formal. But I'm just taking my brush strokes and I'm going to add some tan. It's like a tan goldish color. Now I have this paint scraper. I can't think of what the real name is, but I'm going to do a different technique that doesn't involve the paintbrush, and I'm going to kind of just scrape the paint across. And I'm just pouring it on here kind of wild. It was just like an ideal I had in my mind. I love how this black looks on here. It's so thick and bold. And I'm going to brush that on, and at some point I'm going to use my paint scraper. So just kind of watch how everything kind of comes together. Okay, so now you see that I'm starting to use the painting knife or scraper. And I'm just I'm trying to get like some lines going in here and some like cuts. I don't know exactly what I'm trying to do, but I just wanted this to look very different than the previous painting. I was going for a very abstract look. Like, you know how they have those black and white paintings. I actually did a black and white painting, but I kind of lost the second half of the footage. I'll have to look for that because that came out really nice. But yeah, so I'm just kind of going in different directions. I'm blotting the paintbrush, the paint sponge on. I'm just doing a bunch of different things, trying to make it come together. You know, sometimes you just got to trust the process. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to add on some crushed glass. Crushed glass and liquid tri-art. You can order liquid tri-art online. Every now and then they have it on Amazon. Sometimes it's not on Amazon, but I'll make sure I have a link available to everything that I used. Okay, so this is the liquid glass by tri-art that I'm going to be using. This stuff is really good because you can use Mod Podge if you don't have this, because for some reason this stuff has went up. This jug that I have was $60. When I look back online, it was $120. I bought it from dickblick.com. That's the name of the website, Dick Blick. But I used to buy smaller bottles on Amazon until I went to the website. I'm just taking my finger and kind of smoothing this in because I'm going to be adding glitter. Wherever you put this stuff, if you put glitter, crushed glass, rocks, whatever, let it settle in, it will hold locked in, like it holds very well. So I really like it for what it does. So as you can see, I added some crushed glass. Now I'm going over it with this beautiful purple glitter. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm going to use like this little fuchsia glitter. I didn't know it was going to be that dark, but it still ended up working out. And now I'm adding some black glitter in there. I think my son or my husband said that the outcome of this look reminded them of like a galaxy painting. And I was like, oh yeah, it kind of does. Except it doesn't have like the bluish blues in it. But it ended up really coming together very nicely. Now what I'm doing here, I'm setting it up so I can go ahead and take my big fluffy brush. I let it set overnight. So you do want to let this stuff set and dry. As you can see, a lot of the glitter and everything is already coming off. So I'm just setting this up so I can go ahead and just gently brush. Well, sometimes I give it a nice hard brush because you want to make sure that once you hang it up and use it, that you don't have stuff just falling off of it, especially the crushed glass. Because that crushed glass is really sharp, so make sure you do use caution with that. So I'm just gonna brush it everything off until nothing is falling off of it. That way I know it's ready to be hung up. And I really enjoyed making this. This is something really different than what I've done before, you guys. So I'll show you how it turned out in the next clip. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this canvas. I believe this is a 16 by 20. If not, it's an 18 by 24. And I think it looks really pretty. It's very different. It's all over the place. It has all these different colors in it. It has crazy brush strokes and different type of lines in it. And that is exactly what I was going for. And I think it turned out really nice. I wanted something different to look at in my bathroom. So that turned out really cute. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Oh, and in the next clip, just in case you're wondering what my previous painting looked like, I'll show it to you in this very next clip. But I really enjoyed making this, and you can get the paint from Walmart if I didn't say that before. Just cheap little acrylic craft paint. There's much more expensive paint, but you can start off with the cheaper paint. This is the painting it replaced, and that's the very first painting I ever did. But thanks again, you guys, for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I recently hit 25,000 subscribers. I'm very excited about that. I'm so grateful. Hello to all my new subscribers. Hello to all of my subscribers. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye-bye. Check out our website, myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.